Text Levi's.
Yeah, I am really liking this hair. I don't know what hair this is, where I bought it from, but I found it in my closet yesterday and I really like it. The color is still fresh on it. I probably stopped wearing it because the parting wasn't as deep, and I think that's when I bought the other unit that I have, the 26-inch. But this one is pretty long. This one, I think this one may be like a 20, but it come down like in the middle of my back because I'm short. Well, I'm not that short, but I'm 5'4", so that's not that short, right? Yeah, so I like it. It's so soft. But y'all, we're gonna hit up 2 HomeGoods today. I'm on my way to my favorite HomeGoods right now, and then we're gonna go to the one on Southside Boulevard. I did go to the one in Argyle again, and y'all, that's like the worst HomeGoods in Jacksonville. I'm gonna just be honest, because it was my 3rd time going in there and they just don't have anything. Like, they really don't. But the one on Kernan, I don't know what's going on with them, because the one on Kernan was popping for a while, because that's like the newest location. And Southside Boulevard was my favorite one at first, and then Kernan, because they were new, so they were getting all the good stuff. And now you know, Southside is kind of pulling me back in, and then the one on the beach is my favorite one. So that's where we're headed now. It's really early. I'm gonna be the first one in there as soon as they open. Hopefully they got all the stuff out. I already have one of these. They're so cute. They don't have anything. No, they don't really have anything in here. And this is my favorite HomeGoods. Let's check the wall art. Yeah, they playing the perfect song. Okay, y'all. They didn't have anything in there. So it is, I was like, it is, what time is it? 10:10. They had, I came in here yesterday, but I didn't vlog. They got the same stuff. So, still early. We're gonna go to the other location on Southside. That is the second best one. Well, it's kind of a tie, really, because, well, no, this is the second best one, y'all. I'll head to that one and see what we can find. Now, this is getting out of hand. I just stopped by Stein Mart because they're going out of business. So I want to try to see if I can find some sales on some bras. So I'm going to go in here, and then after I leave here, I'm going to go to Ikea to see if they have the shelf in stock. So let's go. Ooh, parking spot up front. I can walk. All right, let me put my mask on. Oh gosh. Come on. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. So I got the bras, and I got a couple of shirts for my son from out of there. And now I'm at Ikea. So I'm not gonna vlog in Ikea because you guys have seen Ikea 1,000 times. So I'm just gonna go in there just to see if they have that shelf. Then after I leave Ikea, then I'm going to Costco to get some king crab because today is my mukbang day. So I'm gonna do king crab today, me and my husband. So, and then I'm going home. Y'all, they have the shelf. All right, y'all, so really quick, I'm gonna go over everything that I picked up from the store today. But Sunday we're gonna go grocery shopping, but I just needed a few things. So first, turkey bacon, salmon, strawberries, cranberry juice, colossal olives, dark chocolate almond milk, regular almond milk, mini cucumbers, Tazo classic chai latte. I want to try this. I tried a pumpkin spice that I got from Target last year. It was pretty good, so I want to try this one. Cheese, Caesar dressing, green tea with mint, peach kombucha, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. And that is all for my little quick grocery store haul. Okay, y'all, I'm watching my girl Bree. Y'all have to follow her. This is my boo. We've been friends on Instagram for a while, and I just figured out that she had a YouTube channel. This is my boo. As soon as this pandemic is over, we're going to have us some lunch. She is a makeup artist, and she does lookbooks, trial hauls. Y'all have to follow her, and y'all let her know that I sent y'all. This is, I'm telling you, y'all will love her. Okay. So this is the first thing that I picked up, this little vessel here, and I found this at Kirkland's. I didn't vlog while I was in there. Let me grab the tag. Hold on. Okay, are y'all ready to see how much I paid for this? $28. Yes, very, very nice. And I love it. I know a lot of you guys was saying, grab the juju hat. Grab the juju hat. But I did not grab the juju hat, but it is very nice. I know Shay's mom bought her one. Create with Shay is her name here on YouTube. My little sis. What's up, boo? And her mom bought her one. I don't know if it was like a housewarming gift, but she bought her one for her apartment, and it's really, really nice. But I didn't get it, but it was nice. It's really nice. So I told a few people here in Jacksonville that I know would love it, and they had a bunch of them. They had like four or five of them, so they might be gone by now. I stopped by Ikea, and they did have the shelf. He's in the middle of putting it together. I know a lot of you guys were concerned about those cords, but trust me, y'all know that I'm not leaving my cords like that. It's not that type of party over here, okay? Those of you that are new to my channel, we bought the first cord cover. I didn't like the way that looked. So then we had the idea to drill the 2 holes in the wall, drop the cords down and bring them out through the other hole. But when we drilled the hole in the wall, it was a big piece of wood that was blocking it, so we had to start over. So he's going to, the main cable boxes up front, he's gonna switch the cable boxes out so that we have just a very limited amount of cords up here, and then we're gonna just get the one cord cover piece. So, but let me show y'all how it looks. This is the hole that we made before. Let me just take this off so y'all can see. We made this perfect hole where we're gonna drop the cords down to that hole, but about right here, it's like a piece of wood and it's blocking it, so we can't drop it like we wanted to. So those of you that's been saying, girl, you need to cover those cords. Girl, I got it, trust me. Y'all know I'm not gonna leave it like that, but just keep in mind that we just moved. This is like our 2nd month, so we have a lot more to go. So it's gonna take time to get everything right, and I'm not in a rush. Like, I'm not gonna let YouTube rush me. So you know, we're taking our time getting everything right, and once everything is done, you guys will see the final result. And I picked up some of this Fentimans Rose Lemonade from HomeGoods. This was $6.99 for 8. And then I picked up the tonic water. I haven't tried the tonic water yet, but I like this one a lot. And then I picked up some of this mocha syrup. This is the Skinny Girl syrup, 0 calories, 0 sugar. So I'm gonna try some of this in my coffee. And then the strawberry key lime margarita. This one has 5 calories and 0 sugar. And then this one is the Bee Mixed, and this one has 0 calories. It's a margarita mix. I'll probably use this one tonight, and I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm excited about this one because I've been just trying different little recipes out with my coffee in the morning. So, and this one, I didn't even know that it was 5 calories. I thought it was 0 calories, but I'll still try it. You just add your tequila in this, or your rum, whatever. I'll probably use rum, even though I like tequila. Tequila is my favorite, but we don't buy it that much. So maybe my husband will go get me some tequila. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, y'all know I like to try tonic water. Just cut down on my calories as much as possible. And I really like the tonic water. So, but this one is really good. Sometimes I add this to my rosé. Really good. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB. And as soon as Tony is done putting the shelf together, you guys know that I will share that on my Instagram. And then on the next video, I will show you guys how the shelf looks, and we can start buying some things for the shelf. So that is so exciting for me because that's like my favorite part. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Love y'all.